Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to post long videos on Instagram using the Reels feature. If you've ever wanted to share a more extended message, a compilation of your adventures, or a tutorial, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the easy steps to make your long videos shine on Instagram. First things first, grab your Android device and open the Instagram app. Step 1. Tap the plus icon located at the bottom center of your screen. Step 2. From the list of options, select Reel. Step 3. Now it's time to choose your long video. Browse through your gallery and select the video you'd like to share. Step 4. Before finalizing, take a moment to edit your video. You can trim it, add fun effects, music, or even captions to make it more engaging. Step 5. Once you're satisfied with your edits, tap Next. This is where you can share your masterpiece as a reel. And there you have it. Sharing long videos on Instagram is simple and fun with the Reels feature. Make your content memorable and connect with your audience like never before. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on Instagram and social media. Happy posting!